This is part 3 of our 6-part video tutorial series on how to solve a cube using the Roux method. If you have not watched the first 2 parts of this video tutorial series where we learned how to solve the blue and green blocks and also the 4 yellow top corners of the cube, then I would strongly recommend for you to watch the previous video of this tutorial series first before watching this video. If not, then let's get started to learn how we can solve the 4 top corners of this cube in this video. So, by the end of this tutorial, your cube will look like this with the 4 top corners solved. Hey Cubers, my name is Ernie. Welcome to our channel and thanks for watching our videos. We create tutorial videos like this one as we aim to make learning simple for you. Before we start to solve the 4 top corners of the cube, here are some basics to know for this tutorial. First of all, hold the cube with the yellow center piece facing up when you're solving the cube. Next, we will learn a new algorithm that will involve the following move notation. There are a total of 3 move notations that we need to know. Each move notation can be clockwise or anti-clockwise. So the first move notation is R, which refers to the right side of the cube. So for R, we will turn the right side of the cube clockwise, like so. Now, if you see a R with an apostrophe, this is R prime, and you will turn the right side of the cube anti-clockwise, like so. Next, we have U, which refers to the upper layer of the cube. For this, you will turn the upper layer of this cube clockwise, like so, and for U prime, you will turn it anti-clockwise. Lastly, we have F, which refers to the front side of the cube. So for F, you will turn it clockwise, like so. And for F prime, you will turn the front anti-clockwise. One final note, if you see a number 2 after the alphabet, then you will need to do the move twice. This is it for the basics. If you are ready, let's start to do some cubing. This is the algorithm that we will learn in order to solve the 4 top corners. Here's how it goes. R, U, R prime, F prime. R, U, R prime, U prime. R prime, F, R2, U prime, R prime. This is it. It is a simple algorithm. Do practice it many times until you can do it instantly. Let's begin to solve the 4 top corners of the cube. So, the first step is to find any side of the cube with similar color on the left and right corner pieces in the top layer. We have 2 different colors here, and we have 2 different colors here as well, and the same goes for this side here with 2 different colors. So for this side, we have 2 similar color in red. So if for your case, if there's no side with similar color, then you can hold the cube in any direction and start doing the algorithm. And once the algorithm is done, you should have one side of the cube with similar color on the left and right corner pieces in the top layer. So in this example here, we have found the side with similar color corner pieces. We will rotate the top layer of the cube to the center piece with the same color. Next, you will need to position the cube so that the side with a similar color is facing to the left towards your left palm, like so. In this position, you will apply the algorithm to solve the 4 top corner pieces. R, U, R prime, F prime. R, U, R prime, U prime. R prime, F, R2, U prime, R prime. There you go. You have successfully solved the 4 top corner pieces. Solving the 4 corner pieces is the easiest step of the Roux method. However, you should still practice many times until you can do the algorithm instantly. Do stay tuned for the next part of this Roux method video tutorial series, where we will learn how to solve the top and bottom faces of the cube. If you find this video tutorial useful, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so that you do not miss any of our videos. Thanks for watching.